Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moira, and for today's video, I will be showing you what I did to upgrade my desk setup a bit. I bought a few new things for it, and I also did a little bit of DIY. Just like the previous video, which was my laptop makeover, I will not be speaking throughout the video. It will just be subtitles and calm, relaxing music. But also, stay tuned for the very end for a very special little something. So yeah, but anyways, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Woo! you so much for watching this video, and also thank you so much for helping me reach 25,000 subscribers. I feel very grateful for all your guys' support, and yeah, I just feel really appreciative that you watch my videos. Even though I still do consider myself as a smaller channel, this platform has gave me so many amazing opportunities that I never thought I would be able to have. To be able to partner with brands, to become a guest speaker on talks. Yeah, it still feels surreal that we are here. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for your support. Your comments and messages really do mean a lot to me. And I really hope that these vlogs of mine inspire you to pursue your dreams as well, whether it be architecture or YouTube or anything else. So as a way of giving back, as promised, we have a special giveaway! Okay, so here are the things that I will be giving away to one lucky subscriber. So you will be getting this gaming keyboard and mouse set. So let's open it up. I've already shown this in my new Arki laptop video, but anyways. Ayan, so this is the keyboard. It has that mechanical vibe, and it also lights up, and it also comes with a gaming mouse that also lights up, and also this mouse pad. Ayan, so you can win this. We also have a few more items. Along with that, you can be getting this keyboard and mouse pad, the same one that I have except in a different color. So this one is blue and silver. Then you can also be getting one of my favorite t-shirts right now. Remember what I wore again in my new Arki laptop video, yung WandaVision t-shirt. Yeah, sobrang love ko yon. So I decided to buy more, but it's a different Marvel character this time. So I got you the amazing Spider-Man t-shirt. It's an oversized shirt. I also bought this same one for myself, and I also bought a Black Panther one. Lastly, you will be getting this sketch pad. This is also the same one that I have. It's what I use for my gouache painting. So yeah, para matchy-matchy tayo. So if you want to win these items, these are what you have to do. First, you have to be subscribed to this channel and click that notification bell so you're updated whenever I post a new video. Second is that you should be following my two Instagram accounts, which are That's Moira and Moira.ootd. Third is like my Facebook page. And lastly is to comment down below your Instagram handle and answer where are you from in the Philippines. This giveaway will be open for 2 weeks. All the other necessary details and information will be in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, I will be announcing the lucky winner on my Instagram stories. Again, thank you so much guys for 25,000 subscribers. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you're updated whenever I post a new video. Comment down below what video you want to see next, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!